Now this is how you move snow. The Honda HSS 724 AAWD two-stage snowblower moves up to 44 tons of snow per hour, with a discharge distance of up to 53 feet. The rugged self-propelled wheel drive is powered by an infinitely variable hydrostatic transmission and clears a path 23.8 inches wide. Steering is easy with dual-handle clutch controls. The articulated discharge chute is controlled by a remote electronic joystick and offers 198 degrees of left to right snow dispersal. Other features include an easy starting Honda engine, a powerful LED headlight, glove-friendly gas cap and fuel gauge. Honda protects your auger housing too by using a special, easily replaceable shear pin in the event a solid object enters the auger housing. All this is covered by Honda's solid 3-year warranty. See the full line of incredible Honda snowblowers at honda.com. Honda snowblowers. Very smart.